Hey everyone! Welcome back to CarReview Hub, where we bring you the most exciting and detailed reviews of the hottest cars in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the 2025 Ferrari Purosangue, Ferrari's groundbreaking SUV that's redefining what performance luxury means. This isn't just another SUV with a fancy badge. It's the first-ever four-door, four-seater in Ferrari's history, combining raw performance, unmatched Italian craftsmanship, and everyday practicality in a way only Ferrari could pull off. Get ready for a full walk-around, interior and exterior deep dive, performance insights, and pricing details that will show you why the Purosangue is already a game-changer in the high-performance SUV market. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Ferrari Purosangue instantly commands attention with a presence that's both aggressive and elegant. At the front, the sleek, horizontal LED headlights integrate seamlessly into the aerodynamic hood lines, giving it a predatory look. The grille design is subtle yet bold, with functional air intakes to feed the powerful engine and improve cooling efficiency. The sculpted body panels feature fluid curves and sharp creases, designed not just for beauty, but to optimize airflow at high speeds. Ferrari has incorporated an active aerodynamic system, including a sophisticated rear spoiler that adjusts based on driving conditions. The wide stance, flared wheel arches, and massive alloy wheels wrapped in performance tires give it an athletic, road-hugging look. The frameless doors and flush handles maintain a clean profile, while the rear end showcases quad exhaust tips, a sculpted diffuser, and sleek taillights that mirror Ferrari's signature sports car styling cues. Moving inside, the Purosangue's interior is where Ferrari blends luxury and sportiness seamlessly. As soon as you open the doors, you're greeted by a cockpit designed for both the driver and passengers to feel special. The seating layout features 4 individual sports seats, each with full electric adjustment, heating, ventilation, and premium leather upholstery stitched with meticulous precision. Ferrari offers a range of customization options, from carbon fiber trims to Alcantara accents, so every Purosangue can be tailored to the owner's personal taste. The dashboard is driver-focused, featuring a fully digital instrument cluster with configurable displays for performance data, navigation, and multimedia. The passenger also gets their own dedicated screen, allowing them to monitor performance stats or control entertainment. The steering wheel carries Ferrari's iconic Monotino dial, allowing quick access to driving modes, along with integrated controls for indicators, wipers, and engine start. Technology inside the Purosangue is state-of-the-art. The infotainment system is fast, intuitive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A premium surround sound system ensures crystal-clear audio, though with the soundtrack of a Ferrari V12 under the hood, you might not need it. The climate control system is 4-zone, so each occupant can set their ideal temperature. Practicality hasn't been ignored either. There's decent cargo space in the rear for a weekend getaway, and the rear seats fold down to expand storage capacity. Ambient lighting, high-quality switches, and the unmistakable smell of Italian leather elevate the in-cabin experience to a level few SUVs can match. Under the hood, the 2025 Purosangue houses a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, a rare gem in today's turbocharged and electrified automotive landscape. This engine delivers around 715 horsepower and over 528 pound-feet of torque, allowing the SUV to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.3 seconds. The top speed exceeds 192 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest SUVs in the world. Power is sent to all 4 wheels via an advanced all-wheel drive system, paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission for lightning-fast gear changes. Ferrari has also implemented rear-wheel steering for improved agility at lower speeds and stability at higher speeds. The suspension system is adaptive, using the latest active dampers to keep the ride smooth over rough roads while ensuring sharp handling when you push it hard. Driving the Purosangue is a unique experience. In comfort mode, it glides effortlessly, absorbing bumps and keeping cabin noise to a minimum. Switch to sport or race mode and it transforms into a ferocious machine, delivering instant throttle response, sharp steering feedback, and the glorious roar of the V12. The balance between SUV practicality and supercar dynamics is what makes this Ferrari so revolutionary. It feels planted through corners with minimal body roll, and the braking system, with massive carbon ceramic discs, delivers confidence-inspiring stopping power. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Ferrari Purosangue is positioned firmly in the ultra-luxury segment. The base price in the US starts around $400,000, but with Ferrari's extensive personalization options, most buyers will see their final price climb significantly higher. Custom paint finishes, interior materials, carbon fiber packages, and performance upgrades can easily push the cost well beyond $500,000. Despite this, demand is already extremely high, with many units spoken for well in advance. This is partly due to Ferrari limiting production to maintain exclusivity, ensuring the Purosangue remains a rare sight on the road. In terms of competition, the Purosangue goes up against high-performance SUVs like the Lamborghini Urus Performante, Aston Martin DBX 707, and Bentley Bentayga Speed. However, Ferrari's approach is different. Instead of chasing outright utility, they've built an SUV that drives like a Ferrari should, without compromise. It's less about being a family hauler and more about giving Ferrari owners an option they can use every day, even in bad weather, without losing the essence of the brand's performance DNA. The Purosangue also represents a bold move for Ferrari in the evolving automotive market. As performance brands adapt to stricter emissions and customer demand for versatility, Ferrari has managed to stay true to its heritage while expanding its appeal.